It's time to sort out this harvest. Let's use it up, eat it up, put it up, preserve it, put it away. You get the point. So as always, I'm starting by washing the produce because I'm out there in the garden. I see the bugs that crawl on it and I can't do it. Now I'm still working on dehydrating a ton of my cherry tomatoes. I'm going to show you at the end how much I have and what it looks like. So I'm just slicing them up, getting them sorted out. Now I keep using the dehydrator tray that has a clear plastic lining because I feel like the seeds and the goop will seep through the holes, but I just keep using up this plastic liner and I wish I would have saved it for the peppers. You'll see in a minute. I'm just chopping up and putting away these Purple Beauty bell peppers. Maybe I'll make fajitas. I don't know. I just like having the vegetables prepped and ready so that they're just available so I can cook something. And I'm not gonna lie to you, these Chinese 5-color peppers are kind of a hassle to cut, to just deal with, and then they do leave my fingers burning afterwards, but I'm lazy to use gloves. All that to say, I hope I can make enough powder to last me maybe 2 years so I don't have to grow these for a while. They are fun, just a lot of work. Now here I'm separating 2 napkins so I can start saving seeds. Saving pepper seeds is so easy. They're my favorite to save. Literally so easy. You just put the seeds on a napkin and they dry out and then you save them. In hindsight, I probably shouldn't have saved them so closely together because if one seed got in the opposite pile, they're completely different peppers. One is spicy, one is sweet, so that would be a mess. But now see, this is where I would have saved the clear plastic lining on the other tray for these peppers because all the seeds fall through and it is a little bit messy. But whatever, we work through it. Now in putting them in the dehydrator, I put the peppers on the bottom because I don't want any of the seeds to fall through onto the tomatoes and then make the tomato spicy. Now these peppers and tomatoes I'm freezing, putting away so that I can can that salsa again. I love that salsa so much. I'm definitely making it again, probably this week. And I know the recipe called for a pound or like 3/4 of a pound of jalapenos, but I think I'm gonna do serranos. 3/4 of a pound of serranos because I want it to be that spicy. So that's why I'm saving up all of these serranos. Now at the end of the dehydrating process, this is what it's looking like. This is how many cherry tomatoes I have so far. They're cute. I love it. This is how many peppers I have. Not a lot, but we're getting there. And then this is how much basil I have. I didn't show you guys, but I dehydrated a ton of basil.